Gender inequality, it is not a problem in India, but it is a global problem. When we see all around the world, all genders are not equal. In India also and in outside also. Then what is the meaning of gender equality? If we want to know it, it means all genders should have the equal rights for the opportunities, for the responsibilities in all the aspects of life, like for the education, for the political career, or for the in the house, or even the eating food equally. It is also called the equality. If we want to find out where is the root cause is there in our history and in our culture, because in India, patriotic society is there, where they give automatically makes the man superior and gives more right to them. If I say we want to just come out of this inequality, to from where we have to start, then I will say the very important and strong tool is education in the women and financial independence in the women. After getting both things, they will have the right in the society, in the family, to take the decision and to take the decision for their family, for their kids, and for herself also. If I will give an example, what we are doing in with our kids, or we have to teach our kids at the very root level, very younger age. Like a father, he is going on walk, and in the morning he is waking up his male child and saying ki, Baba, you come and you have to run because you have to earn for your princess. And daughter wants to come for the job, then he says you can sleep quietly. The person who will earn for you, he is running somewhere. In that way, we are just giving a thought in her mind. You should not. It is not requirement for to earn for family. So it is very much indicated just to develop equality in male and female. We have to start very younger age group. We should not say our girl child, you just clean the floor, it is not the work of your brother, or you just clean the utensils, it is not work of your brother. We should say the equal work, equal education for girl and male child, and simultaneously male also learn to do household work and take the complete responsibility at home also. Similar way, we required the education and a primary criteria for the politically elected women. Like when we see in the rural areas, a woman who is doing the only thumb impression can give the thumb impression, and she gets the documents, and she called her husband to come and see these documents. In that way, what happening? The women reach to the position, but it is governed by the man. To just come out of this situation in our rural areas, we should make education reach to the rural areas, and then more and more women, we must ask them to work. And this is the very primary important view for our younger women who are newly become mothers. They should educate their children for the equality. Like in our, if we see in the law, there is the right of the property equal divided into the girl child and the male child. But when you go on the practically on the ground, it is not possible. If a girl asks brother, give me property division, then maybe she will lose the relationship with brother. But this situation we can overcome by teaching our kids, you both have the equal right in my property. Only in that way we can root the seed of equality in our new budding generation. And after the 20 years of India, I see if we do this, then we can reach to the gender equality. Mera final take home message to all the girls is just to become equal to the men, or you want to get your rights in the family or in the society, the only biggest tool is education and financial independence. And by this I am ending this thought, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.